start slight left, 1 right, good luck. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Slight left and turn, 1 right and slight right, 70. Late, 6 left of the crest, to 4 right, tightens, into 3 left of the crest, to 4 right sharp, through junction, 60. Slowing, 6 left of the crest, and 1 right, unseen, into 2 left, 40, slight left, 30. 6 right, slowing, 50. 4 left, 30, 5 right, short of the crest, 120. Crest, 90. Crest, 80. Jump, 100, slowing. Caution, slight right, into slight left, and turn, 1 right. 40, crest, 200. Brake, crest, 80, turn square left. And crest, 70. Slight left, slight right, 130. Long crest, slowing, 100. Turn square left, unseen. Into crest, and 1 right, and 4 left, 30. 4 right short of a crest, 30, 1 left sharp, into 3 right short and 4 right. Into 4 left, 80. 6 left, slowing, 50, late 3 right, half long. 50, 3 left, opens. Tightens 4 of a crest, 40, turn, 1 right of a crest, narrows, 6 right into bridge. And 4 left, keep in, into 6 right, cut to slight left, 140, slowing. Crest, so go 1 right, long. 40, crest, 40. 3 left, half long, tightens. 90, crest. And dip, 200. Unseen, big jump, 170, slowing. Turn, late, square left. 140. Crest, 190, slowing. Turn, square right, unseen. 150. 6 left of the crest, 80. Slight left, slowing, 70, right entry chicane and crest, 30, turn, square right. 150. Jump, over finish, 160 to stop. Okay, that's a 3 minute 39.3.